Understanding Achieve Nothing, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, achieve nothing. It's a phrase that you might come across in everyday conversations, movies, or books. Understanding phrases like this is key to mastering the English language. So, let's dive in. Achieve nothing is a phrase used to describe a situation where no progress or success is made. It implies that despite efforts or intentions, the result is zero or negligible. This phrase is often used to express disappointment or to highlight the ineffectiveness of certain actions. Now, let's look at how achieve nothing is used in different contexts. 1. In personal goals, I worked all day on this project, but I feel like I achieved nothing. 2. In discussions about social issues, arguing without listening to each other's points will achieve nothing. 3. In literature and movies, characters might say, "We've tried everything, but we've achieved nothing." Understanding the context helps you grasp the emotional tone behind the phrase. It's also useful to know synonyms or similar expressions. Here are a few: get nowhere, make no headway, in vain. These can be used interchangeably depending on the context. Let's practice with a few examples. Imagine a situation where you tried to fix something but couldn't. You might say, "I tried to fix the leak, but I achieved nothing." In a debate about climate change, if we don't take concrete actions, we will achieve nothing in combating global warming. Try creating your own sentences using achieve nothing. And that's a wrap on achieve nothing. Remember, understanding such phrases enhances your English comprehension and communication. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use achieve nothing in your conversations. Hope this video was helpful, and see you in our next lesson.